Good day, friends. Welcome to our video. So, here we have a list of our Indian cricket players along with their date of birth. So, now we have four different requirements. One is we need to extract the day of their birth, for example, Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday. And the second requirement is the respective date of their date of birth. In this case, it's going to be 6th, 25th, and 1st. Similarly, we want to extract the respective month of their birth. June, Jan, June, October, etc. And finally, we want to extract the year of their birth. It could be 88, 85, 93, 92, etc. The beauty here is we are going to use only one single formula to extract all the four different values. Let us see one by one. Here is the formula equal to text formula. Just refer the particular cell, and here within double quotes it is asking about the format text. Within double quotes you can give DDD only three times. Okay, just close the parenthesis and press enter. Yes, here I'm getting the answer as mon, so which means Monday. If you want MONDAY, then simply add one more D at the end here. Now I'm getting Monday as the answer. So then let us go to the next one. Copy the same formula, go to the next cell to extract only the date. So here I want 06 or 25 or 01, right? So which means I can simply put only two D's within the double quotes. So now I'm getting 06, the date of the birth. Again, I'm moving on to the month. So here in this case, I can use, instead of D, I can use MMM. So when I put MMM, three M's, I'm getting JUN. So if you want JUNE, then simply add one more M here, right? And at the end, I want to extract the year. So same formula, I'm simply copy paste everything. Instead of D, I'm going to replace with YY. If I put YY, I'm getting 88 alone. So even if you put 3Y or 4Y, doesn't matter, the Excel will give you the exact year. So in this case, it is going to be 1988. So now we can simply select everything, and just on the right extreme side, you can see the plus symbol, right? Just double click on the symbol so that the entire table is getting filled up. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have an excellent day.